Okay, today we are going to talk about finding a 5-number summary. And the first step in finding a 5-number summary is to put my data set in order. So I'm going to reorder this data set. I've got 7, 9, 3, 5, 6, 7, etc. And I'm going to order them from least to greatest. I always do least to greatest because it's the most sensible way to do it. I'm going to type them and then I'm going to cross them out as I go. Make sure I don't miss any. So here I've got 3. See if I can get back. And the next one I see is a 5 and 2, 5, a 6, and 2 7s. Yes, but even though they're duplicates, I want to include them twice. So 3, 5, 6, 2 7s. And I see 2 8s and 2 9s. Those are going to come next. Go ahead and cross those out. Next, I see 11, 12, 13. And then I think a 15. Cross those out. 11, 12, 13, 15. And I see 17, 19, 21, 23, 28, 32. Seventeen, 19, 21, 23, 28, 32. Looks like I've got everything. To double check, I'm going to count them. Actually, it looks like the same length since I typed 2, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I've got 19 data points in my original set. My ordered set would be also has 19. So I can be pretty confident that I did that correctly. So to find the 5-number summary, I need the minimum. That's pretty easy. I need quartile 1, which I'll explain how to get in a second. I need the median, which I'm going to abbreviate with the capital M. I'll need quartile 3. And I need the maximum. The maximum here is 32. The median means I put the set in order. Now I need to find the middle number. I had, I believe, 19 numbers. So I'm going to go in from the sides. Cross out 1 from each side. Or maybe best to make them X over them. This I can erase pretty easily without erasing my numbers. Looks like the middle number is 11. Okay. Now, because I have a data set that's odd, quartile 1 is the median of the lower half. Quartile 3 is the median of the upper half. That's not what I wanted it to do. Okay, looks like I'll just have to do it in a different color. So apparently I thought I could erase this, but it doesn't look like it's going to. So I'm going to now find the median of the lower half. Find the middle number here. Middle number looks to be 7. Now, important, I did not include, with an odd data set, I did not include the median. The median is not in the lower half or the upper half. So I'll find Q3, I find the median of the upper half. And that appears to be 19. So, my 5-number summary. My minimum is 3. My maximum is 32. I'm going to take a graph here. I'm numbering each one of these by 2s. And I'm going to graph my box and whisker plot. Often abbreviated as just a box plot. So my quartile 1 is at 7. That's the start of my box. I go to quartile 3, which is 19. I put a line here at the median. I draw a whisker out to my minimum 3 and a whisker out to my maximum 32. There is my box and whisker plot. We're going to do one more data set quickly. And I've already got that set up here. So I'm going to start by, again, putting it in order. So to put this in order, I'm going to start with the lowest appears to be 27, 32, 45, 48. I'm going to cross, I'm going to put a little mark by those. I'm going to put it above this time. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted to do. So it was 27, 32, 45, 48. We'll make them blue this time. Okay. I'm going to put my little marks above to indicate that I've used them. Looks like 52 is next, and 63, 75. Oh, I missed 38. I missed 38, so I gotta get 38 in there. This is why it's helpful to cross them out. $48, 52, 63, 75, 81, 83, 90. We'll see if I got them all here. The 38, 45, 52, 63, 75, 81, 83, 90. Oh, I don't have 95. And again, always helpful to check that you have the right number. So I have 12 in the top list and 12 in the bottom list. So I'm probably good for ordering them. Now I'm going to make my 5-number summary. My minimum is in order. That's the lowest number. That's 27. Q1. Median. Q3. Maximum. Max is largest number. That's 95. Okay, median. Find the middle number. There isn't a middle number. This is an even data set. Which means I take the average, or I add the two numbers together and divide by 2. That gives me 57.5 is my median. When I'm doing my quartiles, when I have an even data set, my median is not an actual number in this data set. Even if there were a whole bunch of them that were the same in the middle, the median is not a number from the data set, and I had to do this computation thing. I take the lower half, includes all the numbers in the bottom half. There is no middle numbers not excluded. The upper half includes the upper half. So now my middle number, okay, I've got 6 here. So I got to use the same trick I did before, 38 plus 45 over 2. 41.5. Upper half, 81 plus 83 over 2. This one's a pretty easy one. Halfway in between is 82. To make my box plot, I'm going to number by tens this time because these numbers are kind of big. My box goes from 41.5, that's just a little greater than 40, to 82, that's just a little greater than 80. 57.5, I put the line for my median. Whisker goes out to 95. That should be halfway between the 90 dash and the 100 dash, and goes down to 27, a little bit below the 30 dash. This is my box and whisker plot. This right here is called my 5-number summary. Min 27, Q1 41.5, median 57.5, Q3 82, max 95.